That song stuck in your head right now? Your brain didn't pick it by accident. It's running a program older than language itself. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to hack it. Because here's the thing nobody tells you. Music isn't entertainment. It's a drug. A legal, socially acceptable, fully weaponizable drug. And your brain has been getting high on it since before you could talk. Most people think they listen to music because it sounds good. That's a lie your brain tells you to keep you calm. Here's what's actually happening. Every time you hear a song you love, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical involved in food, sex, and cocaine. Not metaphorically, literally the same reward pathway. A 2011 McGill University study used PET scans and found that peak emotional moments in music, chills, goosebumps, that wow feeling, trigger dopamine release in the striatum, the exact same region activated by addictive substances. But here's where it gets dangerous. Your brain doesn't just release dopamine when the song plays. It starts releasing it before the drop, before the chorus, before the beat hits. Because your brain has learned to predict the reward. That anticipation, that's the hook that keeps you replaying a track 40 times in a row. You're not enjoying the song, you're chasing the payoff. Now, combine that with this. Music bypasses your prefrontal cortex, the logical, rational part of your brain, and goes straight to your amygdala and hippocampus, the emotion and memory centers. That's why one song can instantly transport you back to a breakup, a road trip, a funeral, a first kiss. You didn't choose that memory, the music forced it open. So if music can hijack your dopamine system and bypass your logic center and unlock buried memories, what do you think advertisers, filmmakers, and casinos are doing with that information? Let's flip the script. Because once you understand how your brain processes music, you can use it instead of being used by it. Number 1, tempo controls your nervous system. Music between 60 and 80 beats per minute syncs with your resting heart rate and pulls your body into a parasympathetic, calm state. That's why lo-fi and classical are the go-to for studying. It's not aesthetic, it's neurological regulation. Number 2, lyrics compete with working memory. If you're doing anything that requires language processing, writing, reading, coding, lyrical music splits your attention because your brain can't fully separate the words you're hearing from the words you're producing. Switch to instrumental for deep work. Save the lyrics for the gym. Number 3, novelty is the real trigger, not the song itself. Dopamine spikes highest on unfamiliar tracks with unexpected chord changes. That's why your on-repeat song eventually stops hitting the same way. Your brain adapted. It's not the song getting worse. It's you getting used to it. This is exactly how tolerance works with any dopamine-driven habit. Number 4, music can literally rebuild damaged brains. Stroke patients in speech therapy often can't speak but can sing, because melody is stored in a different neural pathway than speech. Neurologic music therapy is now used clinically for Parkinson's, aphasia, and traumatic brain injury recovery. So, the next time a song gives you chills, you're not being emotional. You're watching your own neurochemistry in real time. Now, here's a question I actually want you to answer. Drop it in the comments right now. What's the one song that hits your brain's dopamine system every single time, no matter how many times you've heard it? If this rewired how you think about the music you listen to every day, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.